There are so many hidden treasures in Chinatown. The food, exotic ingredients, nightlife, drinks. But there is one other hidden treasures that I don't even know how to describe, but it will amaze you. Wow! Isn't that amazing? Huh? These are the wonderful Grand Avenue Follies. They have been performing not only for the community in my Chinatown, but all over the world. I'm so glad to meet all of you. This is another amazing hidden treasure of my Chinatown. This is the moment I've been waiting for in my entire career. Today, I'm excited. The reason is because I am surrounded by all these beautiful women, dressed beautifully. This is the hidden treasure of Chinatown. Over the years, I got to know the real Chinatown. I learned to revere its past and admire its present. I discovered the golden age of Chinatown and what a prominent place it once held in American entertainment. Cynthia, when I came in this hidden treasure, and I was so amazed and a little shocked that I have not seen any of these wonderful things. Now, old photographs of you performing. Tell us a little about your career.
I started dancing in the year 1963. I was 17 years old. I joined the Toy and Wing dance troupe. We traveled the world. We went to Canada, we were in the Caribbean, we were in Europe, we were in Asia, and of course throughout the United States. One of the most exciting things in my life, I believe, is when I met President Ronald Reagan. I was Miss Chinatown in 1967, and we visited, at that time he was the governor, and we went to the governor's office to get his proclamation for Chinatown.
Oh, yeah. A lot of people probably don't know that much about Miss Chinatown. Actually, Miss Chinatown is just not just a beauty pageant. Actually, there's a lot of community services for all Miss Chinatown.
Yes, after winning, I was able to visit all the Chinatowns throughout the United States, going as far as New York, and it was very memorable for me to meet our elders at the family associations, and I think that to me was very, very gratifying.
See, this is the first time that I'm standing by next to Miss Chinatown, and I am still overwhelmed because she was Miss Chinatown. Pat,
Yes.
I know that you have an illustrious career. Can you share with us some of your most memorable moments?
My most memorable moment? Probably when I met Frank Sinatra.
Wow.
Columbia Pictures came to town and wanted to film a nightclub scene with Sinatra in the movie called Pal Joey.
Yes.
And they picked our club to film the scene in. The thing I remember about Sinatra was when he was talking to me, he didn't look at anybody else in the room. He was just facing me all that time, even though the room was full of beautiful girls. And that was mesmerizing for me.
You know what? I'm quite sure that he was actually secretly in love with you. He should have asked you out, but I think
He did.
He did. Wow.
But I couldn't lead him on because I was a newlywed then. I was only married 2 months, so I really couldn't.
Wow. This is commitment. Amazing.
Chinatown is my home. I was born only 3 blocks away at Beckett Alley. And coming home to Chinatown, having this museum in Chinatown, this is my home. And I feel that everyone should see the beautiful neighborhood that we have and to come and visit, not only to eat, but to enjoy our culture and history.
Yeah, this is history, culture, and heritage. So everybody is welcome. This is Wentworth Place in my Chinatown. It is nicknamed Salted Fish Alley because in the old days, people used to dry the salted fish right here on the street and you could smell it miles away. Nevertheless, the smell did not drive away customer to the place I'm going to show you next. Beautiful.
I love this guy. I've been watching him forever and ever.
Look at the wall. Celebrities, known and unknown to you, have graced this place lying then. Bob Hope, John Wayne, and many have been here. These days, there are still live music, DJ nights here, where club growers can dance the night away, just like their parents and grandparents. I hear the music. Let's go down and see what's happening on the dance floor. Meanwhile, Cynthia and her Thali have come up with a brand new number. It is the Chicken Feather Duster Rap. How can I describe it? Well, I can't. You have to check it out yourself.